Jaw pain, clicking sound, or headaches? It might not be stress. It could be TMJ. Temporomandibular joints or TMJ are two small joints which are present in front of your ears that allows your jaws to open, close, and move side to side. TMJ disorders can occur when your jaw joints or surrounding facial muscles are inflamed, misaligned, or strained due to factors like clenching, teeth grinding, or stress level, or due to trauma in some cases. So what could be the symptoms of TMJ? If you have jaw pain or jaw joint pain, ear pain or buzzing sound in the ears, clicking or popping sound while opening and closing of your mouth, headaches, difficulty in chewing or opening the mouth, facial muscle stiffness. These TMJ symptoms can make your daily life hard and painful. If you're facing any of these symptoms, connect with a dentist who specializes in treating TMJ disorders.